This is the box. On the back it talks about various features like the full color control, the Kessil logic application, the smart controller, which I wouldn't recommend since you can get the Wi-Fi dongle and use the app on your phone. This is a little bit of a legacy device in my opinion. It talks about the advanced heatsink and the unrivaled optics and the dense matrix LED that they use for the LED for the diodes. So we'll go ahead and get it open. Alright, first thing we see, quick start guide, warranty, sticker, open this up and you have the light. I like that it's packaged carefully in this piece of cardboard so that you don't have to worry about it getting banged around and scratched and stuff like that as you're unboxing things. So I'll set this aside. What else do we have? And in this nice little padded bag, styrofoam bag I guess, or what is this? Bubble wrap bag? I don't know what this is. A little power supply. It's incidentally it's a 19.5 volt, 4.62 amps, max 90 watts. Power cord that goes with the power supply. Power cord that goes from the power supply to the wall. And finally, a hardware kit. Inside the hardware kit, you have a few options. One is this ring. The ring screws into the middle of the light right here, like so. And you can just kind of hang it. Other options include these two triangles. If I can get it out of this thing. These connect to these. Can you see that clearly? And then this can screw into either side here and here like this. You can do it like that. You could use a piece, like a wire hanging system and connect to those two. And it comes with two screw hooks for, maybe a canopy application, maybe something like this. You'll probably buy the mounting arms or make your own mounting arms if you're going through the trouble and expense of buying these Kessil lights in the first place. So I'll take this out of the box and just kind of show you. There's the optics and the LED matrix. It's got the fan cooling all the way around. These are the K-Link connectors, so if you have multiple lights you can connect them. One would go to the controller if you had the physical controller, but if you have the Wi-Fi dongle, that would just plug into that USB Type-C port right there. And then from here you would go over to the other Kessil light and just kind of daisy chain them. So that's pretty much it, other than intensity and color. You may want to manually tweak those, but I'm just going to use the app and use all the where they've already done all the research and put all the time into optimizing, the best settings for a planted tank. So that's what you get.